This is what usually happens to unused paper. Getting thrown away. But there's a better solution. Here, at One Direction, we're proposing to you the solution, our project, Back to Nature. With Back to Nature, our goal is to increase the amount of paper being recycled, helping you recycle paper more easily, faster, and more rewarding. By recycling paper, you are protecting the environment, preserving natural resources, and many more wondrous things. As our name implies, our presence to you would help you to feel more attached with nature. When said goals are met, you shall be given a present according to the amount of paper donated. One of our most notable rewards would be succulents, a plant that you could easily care for and a great decoration for your home, as well as adorable handcrafted keychains and stuffies. Now what are you waiting for? By only giving paper to us, you are not only giving back to nature, but you are also receiving rewards. Back to nature, not only paper, but also you.